Meet Mark, the head of production at a top-tier manufacturing plant. Every day, he's tackling big challenges to keep everything on track. Mark is drowning in paperwork, stuck manually collecting data, and wrestling with inconsistent procedures. It's like swimming in a sea of data, where the full picture is always just out of sight. Mark's a hero, but even heroes need help, and he's not alone. 64% of small and medium businesses struggle with understanding their system data. Weak data management leads to missed opportunities, higher costs, and production risks. But what if there was a game changer? Introducing Production Data Tower by SoftServe, the ultimate powerhouse tool for production managers like Mark. This solution gives Mark a global dashboard at his fingertips. It provides real-time visibility through data collection, processing, and visualization. He can check efficiency, quality, and OEE metrics across all lines and locations. He can dig into specific data to find root causes and get detailed insights, take action, or make recommendations. Now Mark's got the upper hand. He's spotting defects faster, cutting downtime, boosting quality, and making smarter decisions with predictive analytics. Managing tasks and fixing issues is easy. Keeping machines up and running? No problem. Imagine elevating your operations just like Mark did, tapping into these powerful advantages. Reach out to SoftServe and see how Production Data Tower can be your game changer.